And the curtain.
Watch this.
Whee! Oh, it's a great twirling skirt.
Oh.
Watch this.
Whoa.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Wee.
Oh, isn't that wonderful?
The longer I twirl, the bigger it gets.
The longer I twirl, the bigger it gets.
Should I try on sweater?
That's beautiful. Yes, that is
beautiful.
the cutest
I want to
sweater.
See those sweaters. Those sweaters are adorable.
They are so cute. What are they? Polka lots.
Polka lots.
Do you want to try yours on, Maria?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. Won't you have?
I can show put on my different dress.
Is that cute?